Celanese Portland residents have been reacting to the campaigning so far. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
There have been controversial statements.
I lecture tourism, and yet still, because of her class and her color, some people said this lady is more qualified than me.
Retaliations.
Anybody who believe that they are going to criticize that are nothing.
And promises.
So every 7th grader, don't come to me for no book voucher, you'll get a she-goat.
Every child, no matter what class, color or race they are, get an equal opportunity to get an education.
All part of the heated race for the Portland Eastern seat. But while both parties defend their candidate, what are the residents who will vote saying so far? For starters, the residents we spoke with don't have a favorable view of Mr. Crawford's initial comments regarding Mrs. Vaz.
Behavior. I think that's a mediocre behavior because a man coming from university should be more intelligent than that, rather than to go personal, to the opponent's life. You understand? And we don't need that anymore in Jamaica. What we need...
Others agreed, suggesting that personal attacks between candidates is old-style politics. As for the plans and policies of the two, there were mixed feelings.
The thing I think about what Damien said, I love some of his policy, what he had said, because right now I have a little tank in my backyard when I really want to raise some fish.
Miss Vaz, give a better speech to him, you know. You understand me? But when they tell you about goat and sitting, them they not work for no people now go bush go tie out goat. And everybody got bush go tie out goat. No joke.
Most of the respondents said they were not aligned to either party, but would vote based on what they see during campaigning.
I've seen her going around and cleaning up the place and sorting out some people. Now I think more or less she have a background, because the people of Portland love to see what you do, rather than what you can say.
Remember that this is a tourism parish, and this is a good, nice, flourish parish. And we want water, we want road, we want utility.
We don't want a one-day thing. We don't want a $500 and a $1,000 and anything. We want training center and them thing there where youth them can go, learn a skill and them thing there, and come out, take some of youth some off our road. They see me some factory for opening in a place and them thing there, brother. Them thing there we are pray. Understand what I say?
Herman Green, TVJ News.